Okay, as we look at this trade, we're in two positions. We're in a, it's going up. Let's get a clearer version. This is the Forex Success Club training. We're in two positions with the British pound dollar. And I want to get a clearer look so you can see it. What's going on? Let's change it to Chinese. As you can see, it's going up. We're in two positions. Got in at 1.2957. That's where I put my pending order. And then it didn't go my way, so I got in another order. 1.2944. Because I knew it was going to go up. I got in. I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. I mean the one hour chart, just so you can see. I got in when the orders were coming in. Where I saw the orders coming in, which is around this area. You see it lining up. All this. Those are the orders coming in. And then I said, okay. When it started going down, I got in another position. And it continued to go down. But I knew it wasn't going to go down any farther. And here, I just changed the take profit. And I here to 1.35 because I believe it's going to hit stop in this area. And then I'm going to, and I put in moved up my stop loss to 1.2984. I had the stop loss under 1.2944 at about 1.2900. Actually, I had it at 1.2895. Now I moved it up to, I had this at 1.2985. I mean, 29. I had this at 1.2895, my stop loss. But now I can move the stop loss up in profit, so I'd have it at 1.284. So it's at 1.3001. So if it goes down 15 pips, it'll take me out of the profit. So if I change this one, so I'll show you how I do it. Let me modify the position. I'll put this one at 1.30 or 29.80. Give me a little more room. 29.80. And I won't even do a take profit because it may go past here. It may go past it. So I won't do a take profit on one of them, but I am going to do it on this one. Now I closed one position because I was in three of them. I closed one position already. Now I'm in these two trades. So in other words, when I do this, I'm in winning trades. I cannot lose. So why'd I get in? Again, as I teach you, I see these orders coming in. So I put in a pending order at 1.2957 in this area. It goes down. I see it going down as I see my pending order take place. So I said, let me get in another buy. So I got in at 1.2944. But I actually got in three. I got in as it went down farther. I took three and got in at 1.2937. I usually like to do them 10 pips separate, but that's when I got in. Like, 1.2957, 1.2947, 1.2937. I do it 10 when I can, but I got close to it. The next one was at 1.2937. So that went in profit. I got out of that position and took some profit off the table. Now I'm in two trades and I'm doing well. So now what happens? I can look at another trade and see what's going on. The Australian US looks good to get in. I didn't get in on this on my pending, but I did put a pending order in this area on my real account, and I got in the trade and in profit. Not out of the trade yet, because it's going to continue to go up. If it goes down some more, I will get in another trade. But this is a great, I got in this area. Great area to get at 0.7163. And it's at 0.7192 now. So that's 30 pips. Now, let's see what else is on the table. See what the euro is doing. That would have been a good trade. I missed that one. I was looking at it, but sometimes I miss some stuff. Let me look at it. Look at that. It would have been great to catch it right in this area. This is where the orders were taking place. See it coming in, orders coming in, and then it just took off. Been up about 30 pips too. I didn't get in that one. I don't make them all, but good trades. What's US Canada doing? Coming down, you know, it's the reverse. Candlestick, looking at the reverse. Great to get in around this area. From here, if I would have saw it going up, I probably would have put a pending order right here. Because if you look at it, this is where it went up to. Even though it went over, this is where the body stopped. So this is the real resistance. And even here it started, and it didn't cross that line, but here, even though it did it again here, but look where the candle closed. Here. See, when you look at the candlesticks, like this is the white one, this is going down. So when you look at it going down, this is a bearish candlestick. The body, this is where it opened, and this is where it closed. Now it went up to this area, and it went down to this area. This is where it opened, this is where it closed. On a upward candle, this is where it closed. And this is where it opened. When you look at the body, this is as far as went on either end, both ends. But this is where it opened. This is where it closed. Okay. So when I see it where the body closes, I'm looking at, that's the real resistance. Okay. Now, here, right here is the real support. I'm looking at the hour chart now because this is my entry chart. That's all why I'm looking at it. It's my entry chart. There's the real support right here. This is where the body closed after the body. You see how it extended, but it closed. Here's my support, and you see even here, it hit these areas, the support area, but they closed above it. That's how even here, you see, the body closed up under my. That's how I know that's the support area. Okay. So I just wanted to show you that if I look at the 4-hour chart, again, I'm looking for entry, but I'm looking for US Canada. This tells me where I'm at. I'm looking at the pattern recognition based on the 4-hour and the day chart. And obviously, if I'm looking at the Canada, let me get a clearer version. I'm looking at the Canada. Let me change it to candlestick. If I'm looking at the U.S. Canada, I'm looking at the 4-hour. I'm looking at pattern recognition. And you can see the pattern is up. Takes a break here, goes up. Takes a break here, goes up. Takes a break. That means it comes down. Retraction. When I say break, goes up. So of course, if you look at this tip, this tip, this tip, you see where you are. You see, obviously, where you are. It's coming down. Came down. So here was a great position to get. Here's a great position to make money. For resistance. Come down. Get out around this area. Get back in around this area. Breaks down. Get out around this area. Get back in this area, or reverse. Now the best place to get in this is to catch it here for a buy right here. Come on. See, the trend is going up, so you're getting that upswing and you get the retraction. Yes, you can make money on the retraction, but the money was really here. That's where we would have liked to have caught it, because we have this area, hit support. Remember, I'm not in the trade. I'm in the British pound. But this is awesome. Chart if you would have caught it going up here. And you see where the trend is now. It's just going sideways. But you can make money, especially coming off that resistance. Coming down. Coming off that resistance. Coming down. You can only make 20, 30 pips. And you know, when we deal with the trends, on the retraction, you're going to make less money. So we're not going to stay in as long because we don't expect a major drop. We don't expect a major drop. Because when you're dealing with the trend, when you're doing a counter trend, you usually don't make as much money. However, you understand where you are. This is the trading zone. So when it's at the top of the trading zone, I can make money coming down. And it's at the bottom of the trading zone, I can make money coming up. Okay? But remember, it's a trading zone. The real money was here. Okay, but you can't make money it coming off resistance. Like you can get in now and make money on it going up. Because it's going to go up back into this area. And you can see it better on the 4-hour chart. Okay. Let's look at the day chart. I'm already on the 4-hour chart. Let's look at the day chart. Look at that. Okay. You would have wanted to have caught, if I look at the day chart, I definitely would have wanted to have caught it coming off. I wouldn't even mess with the trade right now. Looking at the day chart. That's why I'm not in it. My move is here. Coming up. That was my money on this. I wouldn't even be messing with it now. Looking at the day chart. That's why I'm in the British pound. Okay, I'm done. That's why I'm in the British pound, though. I'm done. That's how we do it.